Peace, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Camelia and I create holistic lifestyle content. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button. I know you're gonna like this video already, and go ahead and subscribe. And if you're not new here, welcome back. So y'all, today I have for y'all a special video. I've partnered with Revive Superfoods, and I'm gonna share with you my box that I got today in the mail. It's some frozen items, so I really wanted to just go ahead and film this video so I can get the items in the freezer before they start, melting. So let's get into it. So y'all, Revive Superfoods is a frozen superfood subscription service based out of Canada. They do ship in Canada and also the US. They deliver pre-portioned premium nutritious smoothies, oats, meals, and acai bowls directly to your door. And so today I have a box. It's mostly smoothies because I've been really wanting smoothies lately. Like, I've literally been making smoothies twice a day, y'all. And I still have my newborn. He's 4 months now, but my life it still revolves around him and also my 5-year-old daughter Hadassah as well. So trying to figure out what to eat and make sure I keep it nutritious it gets kind of challenging. It's been challenging like for a while now, and so I wanted to try something that would help me with that. And so Revive Superfoods is definitely a company that is helping me make sure I eat my nutritious meals, my nutritious foods, along with not taking away so much time from my children as well. And also having to work as well. I work from home, but yeah, having to maintain my business and things like that as well. So let's get into the box. Let's go. It comes in this freezer bag here. Freeze. Then it comes with like ice in it as well to keep everything nice and frozen. That just burned my hand. All right, so first up I have this strawberry and banana smoothie. It has bananas, strawberries, raspberries, peach, and zucchini. I'm not typically a strawberry banana smoothie fan. It's usually like the banana flavor that does it for me. Next up I have choco and banana. Yeah, choco, banana, and strawberry. It has bananas, zucchini, strawberries, cauliflower, and flaxseed. So this one's gonna be good. I'm sure. I mean, it's just like the strawberry banana, but it has chocolate in it, y'all. It has chocolate in it. Dark chocolate and cherry smoothie. It has cherries, avocado, strawberries, cacao, and spinach. So definitely excited to try this one because I love me some cacao. I love some cherries. And so yeah, I'm excited to try this one. This is gonna be good, I'm sure. So real quick, I'm just gonna read to you how it says to enjoy. It says, fill the cup to the rim with your preferred liquid. I'm gonna be doing coconut water or water for all of mine. Pour contents into the blender, blend and enjoy. You can pour it back in here, and there's like a straw insert here. You can insert your reusable straw and drink it straight out of the cup. Take what you wanna go, or just sit down and enjoy it right at home. So that's how you prepare it. This one's high in fiber, rich in vitamin C, and high in vitamin K. So yeah, love that. This one sounds really yummy, y'all. This one sounds good. Sweet peach and yuzu. So it has peach, yuzu, butternut squash, banana, and mango. Good sources of fiber, rich in vitamin C and A. So yuzu is a fruit. It's like a taste between a lemon and an orange. But it also has like the flavors of like lime and grapefruit as well. It's really interesting. But yeah, so I'm excited to try this one. I've never had yuzu in a smoothie or anything like that, so I'm excited to try this one. And I love peach, so we'll see. Okay, so this one I am super excited to try, y'all. Super excited because it has matcha. Yes, this is apple and matcha. It has apple, banana, pineapple, broccoli, and matcha. It has lots of iron, vitamin C, lots of fiber, and I'm excited to try this one, y'all. Definitely excited to try this one. Looks good. This one is a classic. This is spinach and mango. It has mango, banana, spinach, kale, and chia seeds. Classic. I know this one's gonna be good because this is basically like the smoothie that I've been having. I've been having spinach, well, some sort of greens, either spinach or kale with mangoes and pineapples, and my chia seeds and flax seeds. So, oh, and banana. So this is the exact smoothie I've been having. So I'm glad that I don't have to worry about making it, mixing it up, especially because I actually have run out of those ingredients now. And I have to get more, but this will definitely hold me until I get more, all of these smoothies. And then last but not least, for the smoothies, I have raspberry and mango. This sounds really good, y'all. I've never had mango and raspberries together, but this one has mango, avocado, raspberries, pumpkin seeds, and pea protein. I'm glad this has some pea protein because, yeah, I love pea protein for protein in a smoothie. It's flavorless, honestly. So got this one. It has 11 grams of plant protein, which is great. So I'm probably gonna enjoy this one here in a second, and I'll make it with you guys so y'all can see. So it has, it's rich in vitamin C, like I said, 11 grams of plant protein, and it's also rich in fiber. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one. Oh no, I have another smoothie in here. Oh yeah, okay, so this is the acai twist smoothie. It has raspberries, cherries, bananas, blueberries, pea protein, acai powder, maca, high hemp protein, chia seeds, and flax seeds. This is probably gonna be another one that I really enjoy. It has plenty of protein in it for me as being, you know, a nursing mother. So this is probably gonna be good. It has raspberries, cherries, and blueberries, and acai. Oh yeah, this one's gonna be good. So I'm excited to try this one too, y'all. I'm just so excited. Thank you, Revive Foods. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's honestly like right on time because like I said, this past week, I have been having smoothies every single day, sometimes twice a day. Just haven't been in the mood for like chewing food. I mean, am I the only one that's like that? Sometimes I just don't feel like chewing food. I don't know, call me crazy, but let me know in the comments. Is anybody else like that? You know, you have your days where you just don't want to chew food. That's me this week, last week, and probably for the next couple weeks, honestly. It's a smoothie bowl. This is the berry acai bowl here. Let's see what it has. Acai, water, strawberries, blueberries, and yeah, those are pretty much the fruit in this one. It's nice and it's kind of small, you know, but that's okay because once I add like the toppings to it, it'll fill out, you know. But yeah, got this one smoothie bowl here, and the rest of the items are all smoothies. Like I said, they do have meals along with oats, like ready to go oats as well, and acai bowl. So yeah, those are the other items that they have. If you are interested in trying Revive Foods, I will put my code right here for you, and I will also leave the link in the description box as well. So using my code, you will get 50%, a generous 50% off of your first box from Revive Superfoods, y'all. I mean, you really can't beat 50%. You can't beat it. So make sure you give Revive Foods a try, and we're gonna go make this smoothie right now. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so I'm ready to make my smoothie. Y'all ready? We're gonna do this. 30 seconds, watch. I'm gonna be making the raspberry and mango smoothie. And let's see, yeah, I got pea protein, so I don't have to worry about, I'm still gonna add some flax seeds, even though it already has pumpkin seeds and pea protein, just for some more protein, some more goodness, because the flax seed helps with my milk production, so yeah. So I'm just gonna open it up, take the top off, and I can see all of the ingredients right here, right now. Oh, see, I almost forgot. I'm gonna be adding coconut water to mine. Vita Cocoa coconut water. Let's see if I can find the fill line. I don't know, I'm just gonna fill it up. Let's see the bananas. I see everything right now. Okay, just gonna pour this in here now. Like that, like so. Then I'm gonna add me some more protein. I'm gonna add some flax seeds. Like I said, that's good for my breast milk production. Put this top on. I had to clean it, but yeah. And blend. That's literally it. I'm just going to pour it in here now. I need all that. Just gonna put the top on and put my straw in. That's it. See? Just like that. A smoothie, 30 seconds, y'all. Now let's taste. That's good. Yeah, that is so good. Oh my goodness. I'm not even exaggerating. It tastes perfect. It's sweet enough. Check. It's flavorful enough. Check. It's fruity enough. Check. Fast enough. Check. Like, okay. So before I go and finish my smoothie and keep doing some work on my computer, don't forget, if you want to try Revive Foods, use my code here. Use my code for 50% off of your first box. 50% off. You can't beat that. And like I said, delivery to your door. They have meals as well. I pretty much wanted the subscription for the smoothies because, like I said, I've been having a lot of smoothies and it's getting warm outside. And I love the fact that it only takes like 30 seconds to make this smoothie and I can take it with me out the door or take it with me to the couch while I do work on my computer. Like, I love that. So definitely give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you try it out, how you like it. Let me know. Thank you again to Revive Foods. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace, y'all.